ChatGPT is gaining prominence in today's world. Do you know Microsoft is investing 10 billion in it? Following the competitive streak, Google has announced to launch of its own version of the AI system Bard. आप अब सोच रहे होंगे मैं आपको ये सब क्यों बता रही हूँ? Well, the answer lies in the fact आप भी ऐसे चैटबॉट्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए आपको करना होगा MBA in Business Analytics and Intelligence Management from SGVU. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एजुकेशन मित्रा, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी। आई एम सुनीता विटू। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ द प्रोग्राम MBA in Business Analytics and Intelligence System from SGVU. Before going forward, press the bell icon for the notification of the latest updates. SGVU is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. This is UGC, DEB and AICTE approved and has NAC A accreditation. It provides dual degree courses. That means आप दो अलग अलग कोर्सेज एक साथ परस्यू करके डिग्री अचीव कर सकते हैं। ये कोर्स ऑनलाइन मोड में भी अवेलेबल है। दैट मीन्स आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल रहने के साथ साथ इस कोर्स को परस्यू कर सकते हैं। आपको अपनी जॉब छोड़ने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं। अब बात करते हैं इसके करिकुलम की। करिकुलम ऑफ द MBA इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स एंड इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम जो कवर करता है ये सारे सब्जेक्ट। Semester 1 Modern Business Organization and Management, Global Business Environment and Economics, Accounting and Financial Management, HR and OB, Business and Corporate Law. Semester 2 Business Research Methodology, Modern Marketing Management, Information Technology for Business, Production Operation and HCM and Business Communication Skills. Semester 3 Business Policies and Strategic Management, Entrepreneurship and Innovation Management, Management Information System and Business Intelligence, Fundamentals of Data Analytics and Presentation and Visualization of Data. Semester 4 Business Ethics and Corporate Governance, Business Analysis, Data and Information Management, Web Analytics and Project Work, Applications of Intelligence Management. Application of Business Analytics and Intelligence Management are far and wide as it covers healthcare, e-commerce, robotics, finance, facial recognition, marketing, social, media, chatbots, automobiles, education, lifestyle, agriculture, gaming and automobiles. Job roles. MBA in Business Analytics and Intelligence System provide job opportunities for job roles like data analyst, business analyst, big data analyst, market researchers, qualitative analyst, data mining expert, data warehousing expert, business intelligence expert, predictive modeler, technical team lead, etc. Recruiters. The leading recruiters placing students with MBA in Business Analytics and Intelligence Management from SGVU include HCL, Wipro, KPMG, Deloitte, Infosys, Amazon, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Microsoft, Accenture, Morgan Stanley, Tata Group, American Express, Larsen & Toubro, McKinsey & Company and Boston Consulting Group among others. अब बात करते हैं पे पैकेजेस की। It depends on your caliber and skill set. पे पैकेजेस ₹50 लाख पर annum भी मिलते हैं, but average packages lie between ₹6 lakh per annum to ₹18 lakh per annum. ये भी अच्छे ही हैं। So be a part of the distinguished Suresh Gyan Bihar University and open new prospects of job opportunities. आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो नीचे दिए हुए कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। Me Sunita signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more such informative videos, keep watching Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी।